Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide Pro. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your Instagram business account private. First things first, Instagram doesn't allow business accounts to be private. If we go to account privacy and try to make account private, it show error business account can't be private. So, we need to fix first this problem. So we have to go back to settings and look for the option that says account type and tools under the for professional section. Tap on switch account type, then select switch to personal account, confirm your choice, and Instagram will switch your account to a personal one. This will remove the professional dashboard, but it's necessary to make your account private. Now that your account is personal, we can make it private from your profile. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner again. Go to settings, you'll see an option for account privacy. Tap on the switch next to it to make your account private. Instagram will notify you that only your followers will be able to see your posts and stories. Confirm by tapping on switch to private. To make sure everything is set up correctly, refresh your profile page. Check that the professional dashboard is gone and that the private account switch is turned on. Now, your account is private and only your approved followers can see your content, and that's it. Your Instagram account is now private and you can manage who sees your posts and stories. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be there to help.